Vroom is a representation of the sound made by what? Car, dog, kettle, or owl? Okay, correct answer A, B, C, or D. Correct answer is car. Which of these everyday objects is a type of tobacco product? Cigarette, lighter, battery, or razor blade? A. Cigarette. Final answer. Which of these musical instruments is another name for granada? Celesta, clarinet, cello, or contrabassoon? B. Clarinet. Final answer. Complete the title of this famous portrait, The Laughing. Hyena, peasant, fool, or cavalier? D. Cavalier. Final answer. As what did Sebastian Cabot became famous? Cartographer, choreographer, cinematographer, or cryptographer? A. Cartographer. Final answer. What dessert is often prepared with a small blowtorch? Tiramisu, creme brulee, cobbler, or mousse? B. Creme brulee. Final answer. Which of these arthropods is found in the zodiac? Cockroach, centipede, crayfish, or crab? D. Crab. Final answer. Which workman's tool is specifically used for banging and removing nails? Chisel, bradawl, claw hammer, or hacksaw? C. Claw hammer. Final answer. Inhabitants of which country are known as Kanaks? Cameroon, Cambodia, Canada, or Cuba? 50-50. Computer, please take away 2 of the randomly generated wrong answers. Cameroon or Canada? C. Canada. Final answer. Which of these vegetables belongs to a different family than the others? Celery, cauliflower, broccoli, or Brussels sprouts? A. Celery. Final answer. Which of these construction vehicles typically has a large rotating drum? Steam shovel, bulldozer, concrete mixer, or crane? C. Concrete mixer. Final answer. What type of household item is a laptop? Computer, sewing machine, television, or lamp? A. Computer. Final answer. What is an Arabica? Cashew, curry, coffee, or cocoa? C. Coffee. Final answer. Which of these famous landmarks is in Brazil? Sagrada Familia, Christ the Redeemer, Angel Falls, or Galapagos Islands? B. Christ the Redeemer. Final answer. What is added to steel to make stainless steel? Chromium, silver, platinum, or tin? C. Platinum. Final answer. Okay, correct answer is chromium. $2 please.